This is a night in with the Bard. Tonight, I'm going to be making the Irish breakfast. This series, A Night In with the Bard, is my wild card. It's my playground. I'm just a guy who's less afraid to fail than others. And trust me, I'm still afraid to fail. But I'm doing it in front of millions anyways because that's just what you have to do. Failure is a part of growth. And I'm excited. I have 21 subscribers currently, and a bunch of other people who just happen to walk through. Hopefully you guys end up liking the video, but I'm going to use this series to kind of show you what I'm making, because my drink changes all the time, especially with all the research and different things I look into. But I want to show you the ones that I like, that I drink, that never make it to film. Nice. Remember to laugh at yourself. You're not alone. We're all goofballs. We're all trying to have fun. We're all just trying to enjoy the ride. You're gonna want some ice. You're gonna want 2 ounces of whiskey. So, a shot and a fraction. It's good, it's spicy. Bottled and bonded. Always means it's cask strength, so it's 100 proof. So we have 2 ounces of whiskey in there. We're gonna do something a little different here. I've had so many tech failures lately that this is the 3rd time recording this episode. This is the cute bottle and little cinnamon that I worked with before. It's almost gone. So we're gonna upgrade to a fat Spanish cinnamon, which is a little bit sweeter, a little bit more mellow. And you're gonna want to light this cinnamon, because we're actually gonna smoke the glass with cinnamon. Mom, don't ask how I know how to do that. Little ember. We need more than that for smoke. Oh. Oh. Think we can set off the fire alarm? Gonna try, that's for damn sure. Oh, we got some good embers. We're gonna take that, and we're gonna ignore it. Lay off the cinnamon, kids. Whatever your whiskey is, you want to do that amount of whiskey, half that maple syrup, half of that as cold brew. Real simple. We're going to want that real cold. So we're going to pour it over ice. We're going to take that cinnamon that we smoked, throw that in. And now, into your smoked glass. That's right, I usually make a double. And then you garnish with your smoked cinnamon. An Irish breakfast. That's really good. Ah, always really good. Always, always. Someday I'll find new adjectives. I'm behind schedule because I let excuses come in. I have a new camera coming in, so right now I'm recording with the original device I used to record my first episode. So for a little while I was letting uncomfortable things stop me. I was letting not having a new camera get in the way. It's being shipped for the 2nd or 3rd time right now. My microphone is kind of working this time. We'll see in post. I lost 2 episodes, so I technically should have had content this whole time that I've been absent, but those episodes got deleted. So I had prepped everything. I've done schedules, I had guests on, I've had all kinds of things done, and I just had things keep crapping out. But I can't let that stop me. And so here I am. Done is better than perfect. I'm not comfortable with what I'm putting out right now, but I have to learn to be comfortable with who I am and what I can do with what I've got. Because if I wait for the perfect technology and for the perfect skill set and for being perfect, I'll never put out a video. You have to do the crappy videos and the crappy jobs and do your first projects before you can do your masterpieces and your things like that. I recently built this whole set, and it's not quite done. I've still got a few more things to do, but first time doing molding, and like those are super flush. I'm happy with that. Like the paint job is good. I enjoy the texture. The Sho Sugiban technique I used to color the wood and then stain it, it all turned out really good. Like, everything worked, but I took what I could, I made the mistakes I had to, I kept progressing, and just got it done. There are a lot of flaws to it, but it's my thing, and everything looks good, it works perfectly the way I need it to. Like, there's definitely room to improve. So all of this, to me at least, looks really good. I'm very happy with it. But, first time with a couple techniques that weren't super foreign, they were just brand new. My lighting is trash right now. My sound is probably garbage, but I'm hoping to do that in post. But I don't have good technology. I've got a mediocre setup. I've got a nice backdrop now. I am what I am, and I need to be comfortable with that. The risk isn't worth giving up. And that's the biggest thing. Obstacles help you grow. So don't let them stop you. Embrace them, because that means you're doing the right thing. If everything's easy, then you're doing something that won't help you. This has been A Night with the Bard, and just get out there and do it. If I can do this and learn how to edit and do lights and fail at a lot of it a few times over, but still turn out okay, then you can do it.